Whereas these rubber gloves are pretty rubbish. I have hardly done anything with them, and they break and make holes. So this is not very good. But I have asked the eBay person to refund me on my orange gloves, which I do not like at all. They're hanging outside. In fact, I will go and get them to show you something. And oh yes, there you are. Yes, there are the dogs in here. The dogs are barking. Yes, and as the dogs bark, we can see the weather is lovely. So these are the stinky gloves, which I do not want in my life. In fact, I have put them in clay. And they still stink. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum them just for you. After cutting them in bits because they're disgusting. I don't know why anybody would buy such things. Oh, I smelled them. Now I've got the smell up my right sinus. It's horrible. Like, I can't describe it. You'd have to smell it yourself. But my scissors are in need of sharpening, as they're not very good. Are they, my scissors? Oh, come on, scissors. We need the gloves to be a bit smaller, otherwise they will not fit in the vacuum. And we can still hear next door a little bit of talking. I'm sure you haven't heard anything, have you? No, you haven't, cries you. Oh, hello, Toby. Oh, no, that's Zuzu. Hello, Zuzu. Hello, you sneaked up on me then. I didn't hear you. You're like the lynx, aren't you, Zuzu? Yes. Have you eaten your meat? Yes. And you, Toby, over there? Yes. You're fierce, aren't you? Yes, oh, that smells like... Maybe it smells like methylene alcohol. You know the stuff that's toxic, that's left over from when people do fake alcohol. I don't know what it's called. It's not fake alcohol, when they distill things. Once I went to a distillery, they told me that there is some bad alcohol that comes out, the tails and the heads they called it, and it's very poisonous and toxic, and apparently industrial alcohol or stuff you buy in the supermarkets is full of that methylated alcohol. Anyway, it's full of the toxins that you certainly don't want to ingest. If you want to ingest something because you need to relax, have instead some nice plant extract. Plant which I will not name because it's not legal, but if you find some, it's much better for your body than alcohol. If you have issues with relaxing, issues with self-worth, and you need alcohol in your life, try other things. There's also a plant that starts with an I and carries on with a B. The third letter would be an O, and then there would be a G. The last letter would be an A. And this plant is an excellent plant to deal with all sorts of addictions. It also allows the people, tribes in Africa who use it, to have spiritual insights, connective experiences, which I find in my life are one of the reasons why it is so worth living, because with these experiences we discover so much beauty in ourselves, which then might well disappear once we return to normal, but it is a matter of learning how to feel that experience without needing the plant as a crutch, because the plant is there to help us experience something which then we will learn to live again without it. And as you can see on the floor here, and I am going to turn the vacuum on, you can see the glove, and after the glove I will do the horrible chocolate. Well, it's not horrible, it just tastes of washing powder, yes? Are you ready for the orange massacre? Better go and close the door. Just because it's making a lot of noise, I don't want any holiday guests to get worried that someone is living or that there's a car with my kitchen. Just with one finger. If you can. You like it? Nice, isn't it? Yes, I like it. Very glamorous glove. Now I've only got one finger left. What do you think? One glove. Wow, it smells. My hand smells of chemical. Smells a bit like silicone now. You know that sort of vinegary smell. Are you ready for the chocolate to go? Oh no. Oh no, I've only got one hand. Voila. Now I need to go and vacuum upstairs because it's very dirty, yes. Are you coming with me? I'll do another video.